Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna show how to install Steam on PC. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, and now let's begin. To install Steam on PC, open your browser, go to the Steam official website, and then click Install Steam, top right. Click Install Steam again, and it downloads Steam setup.exe. Now run the installer, open the downloaded Steam setup.exe, and proceed with the installation. After installation, Steam will open automatically. It will download updates. First launch takes a few minutes. And as you can see, Steam has been installed successfully, so that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.